Here we go. We got another one in the collection. This one belongs to Shep. Allow me to introduce Maybelline, our 1960 T-Bird. This car has been a reliable summer cruiser for the last 8 or 9 years, and we're looking to keep it that way for another 8 or 9 years. So we've been maintaining it mechanically as we need to. I'll be doing a water pump on it, also an electric wiper conversion, some cosmetic repairs. JC, look, it's looking real nice. I'm getting there.